I'm an addict for sneakers, 20s a Buddha and bitches with beepers. In the streets I could greet you.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Nate Triple O G. And yes, I got another review for you guys. Insert B-roll, please. Yes, sir. We got that Nike swoosh, off-white, Air Presto 2.0. Now, I don't know if this is on YouTube yet or if this is a first. I don't know if anybody did an in-depth review, but I got you. Just know. And I'm going to give you that fire on feet. Know that. Let's go. Let's get in depth with the shoes. Let's go. Alright guys, you know how I get down. These are actually my shoes. So we got that Nike swoosh on the top of the box. We got that off-white Coast shoebox, Beaverton, Oregon, all of that. Same type of paper inside the box. Change, you know, inside out. Right here, let me show you the outside right there. Got that tag for you. 10 Nike Air Presto. That's the code. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Got that paper for you guys. You already know what time it is. Yes, yes. Woo! Woo! Boom. Yo. 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 Hold up. Ooh. Yo. 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 Let's get into it, man. What else we got inside this box? So, inside, this pair did come with one extra laces. The orange ones, I think that's fire. This is the first shoe that I probably will change my laces in. Definitely will go with this orange, because it definitely make that tag pop right there. You know what this tag remind me of? It don't even remind me of it. It's exactly like that Yeezus album. You know what I mean? That album like drove me crazy because I was like, I don't want to mess up the artwork. It's just this little orange tag. And we all know that Virgil, he designed that album cover for Kanye. Well, whatever album cover it was, because it wasn't really no album cover. Let's get into these shoes though. Fire! Alright, let me go ahead and bring it a little close. So we got that Presto, nice creamy shield right here with that Nike tag on the side here. Boom. Shoelaces on the shoelaces in quotations, of course. We got that made in China, all that stuff, whatever. Same thing that's on the outside of the box right here on the inside, you know. Got that strap on there, Velcro, very nice. Bottom of that sole, all white. Ooh, let me get this one off. All white sole. Yo, I'm so happy I got me a pair, you know. The 10 that's in the inside. Okay, that is the right shoe. Okay, let me get that other pair. You know. Yeah, baby. Got that mesh right there in the toe box. Let's look at that check on there. Nice stitching. Like I said, we got our orange tag there. Off-white tag. You know, it's that Presto, baby. Woo, shit. It's fire. Inside the tongue right there. Nice, all white. So clean, so fresh, so clean. Cannot wait to rock this shoe. I might have to just go ahead and throw that joint on like now, man. Oh my God. Turn to the back here. Gotta see that. Got that air in quotations there. Embossed Nike. Right there. Bottom. Here. Yeah, these is fire. These is fire. Tell me what you guys think, yo. Cannot wait for these to come out. I'm not sure what the exact release date is. I picked these up from Chicago Emporium. You know, one of those places that they put on Instagram. They had like pairs on pairs on pairs. Yeah. Very nice, man. Very nice. This is one of my favorite shoes in the collection. You know? Yeah. Man, I think we need to go into that on feet like now, though. I think we need to do it right now. Let's go. Yo, so are you guys rocking with these, man? What do you guys think? Do you believe that this Presto is better than the last Presto? It's fire to me. I like the OGs a little bit better. I mean, this is like really, really clean though. I can't wait to wear this. Summertime shy. I can't wait to wear it. You know something? The weather's been getting better and it looks like something. I might just break these out next week or tomorrow. I don't know. Sunday. I don't know. I can't wait to wear them. I can't wait to wear these. I can't wait to get out here in these streets. I can't wait to stun on them. I've never seen nobody wearing a pair. You know what I mean? Most people that get the pair, they just trying to get them so they can resell them. I wear my kicks over here. I can't wait. Oh man, this is too fresh. I'm so excited about this shoe. Anyway, we're almost at 100 subscribers. Guys, I think we're like 91 now. Like, comment, share. As soon as we get to 100, we're gonna do the Supreme giveaway. We are so close. I'm gonna be the first YouTuber that I know that's really doing those giveaways and really doing them for real and giving the people what they want. Hopefully we can grow this channel. We can get bigger, better, you know what I'm saying, larger, you know what I mean? Rock with me. So like, comment, subscribe. I catch you guys later. YouTube first. Peace.
I can't see myself getting out the game. No time soon.